Students, Assalamu alaikum. In the previous session, we have discussed about the different unguided medias. Let's today discuss another type of unguided media. That type of media, unguided media, is that media in which there is no connection, there is no path, there is no any physical link. So today is the same type of unguided media that is known as satellite microwave. Satellite microwave, as we here see, these are the satellites in the space, and these receives the waves and reflect these waves, and so thus these waves are transferred from one place to one station to another station. So it is a special case of microwave relay system. We can write here special case of microwave relay system. Uses the synchronous satellite, uses synchronous satellite to relay the radio signal transmitted from ground station. For example, these are the ground stations and these are the satellites. These satellites receive the information or data from these ground satellites, ground stations. Then these are reflected again and passes from one satellite to another satellite. Earth station consists of satellite dish that function as an antenna. These are the satellite dish that functions as an antenna. Earth stations consists of satellite dish that functions as an antenna. There's another term that is known as transponders. Transponders are the devices that receive and transmit the signal. Transmit the signal. Now, the advantages of this satellite microwave. The first one is area coverage is very large. Area coverage is very large. We can cover a large area with the help of this satellite microwave. Ease of installing. Commercially attractive. Now the disadvantages. Technological limitations. There are technological limitations. Overcrowding of available bandwidth. Overcrowding of available bandwidth. And cost is very high. Cost is very high. High atmospheric loss above 30 gigahertz. This is also apprehended. So this was about the satellite microwave. The rest will be discussed in the next session. Thanks.